Solve the simultaneous equations x squared plus y squared equals 52 and 2x plus y is equal to 8. To find the solutions of such a system of simultaneous equations, we do these 3 steps. Step 1, get x or y on its own from the linear equation. So we use the simpler equation, which doesn't contain any squareds, which is 2x plus y is equal to 8. So we're going to rearrange this so that either x or y is on its own. Step 2, substitute into the other equation and solve the resulting quadratic equation. So when we rearrange this equation with either x or y on its own, we're then going to substitute the rearranged equation into the other equation. And then we're going to solve the resulting quadratic equation. Part 3, we're going to return to the linear equation to evaluate the other unknown. So basically to find the other value. So obtain y from the second equation and substitute it into the first equation. So we're going to rearrange this linear equation to get the y on its own. So all we have to do is bring the 2x over the equal sign and it becomes a minus 2x. So get y equals minus 2x plus 8. So then we're going to go to our other equation and we're going to swap that y for minus 2x plus 8 with brackets around it. So we bring down the x squared, we bring down the plus, and we swap the y for minus 2x plus 8. We bring down the squared, we bring down the equals, and we bring down the 52. So then I'm going to work out minus 2x plus 8 squared over here. And I end up getting 4x squared minus 32x plus 64, which I write down here, 4x squared minus 32x plus 64. I brought down the x squared, I brought down the equals, and I brought down the 52. So next I'm going to bring the 52 over the equal sign, and it's going to become minus 52. And 64 minus 52 will be 12. And then 1x squared plus 4x squared will be 5x squared. And we also bring down the minus 32x. So we get 5x squared minus 32x plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we're going to factorize this and solve. Alternatively, we could have used the quadratic formula or the minus b formula. So factorizing, I bring down the 5x squared and the plus 12. 5 by 12 is 60. These are my factors of 60. This is a plus, which tells me that these are going to be the same sign. This is a minus, which tells me they're both minus. So I need to choose one of the factor pairs that together will give me minus 32, so I go with 2 and 30. So I've got minus 30x minus 2x. I'm going to factorize the first two terms, getting 5x times x minus 6, and factorize the second two terms, getting minus 2 times x minus 6. I've got x minus 6 in both brackets, so that's one of my factors. And then 5x minus 2 is my other factor. So I get 5x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 6, which I have here, equal to 0. So I'm going to let 5x minus 2 equal 0. So 5x will equal positive 2, so x will be 2 over 5. And I'm going to let x minus 6 equal 0. So x is equal to positive 6. So now I have two x values. Now I need to find two y values. So step 3 said return to the linear equation to evaluate the other unknown. So we go back to the linear equation so that we can find our y values. So when x is equal to 2 over 5, y is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 2 over 5 plus 8, which is equal to minus 4 over 5 plus 8, which is 36 over 5. So one of our y values is 36 over 5. When x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 2 multiplied by 6 plus 8, which gives us minus 12 plus 8, which gives us minus 4. So our other y value is minus 4. So when x is equal to 2/5, y is equal to 36 over 5. So 2/5, comma 36 over 5 is one of the points of intersection of these two equations or these two functions. And when x is equal to 6, y is equal to minus 4. So 6 minus 4 is the other point of intersection of our two graphs. So we were asked to solve simultaneously. Solve means find x and find y. And these are our x and y values. X values 2/5 and 6. Y values 36/5 and -4.